Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily jailbreak iOS 14 no computer on all iPhones. Finally, we've been waiting months and months and months for this jailbreak to release, and finally Uncover version 6 has just been updated to support iOS 14. Not all firmwares are supported. I'll be covering everything in this video. If you are excited for the Uncover release, just like I am, smash like on this video right now. Let's try and hit 1,500 likes. We can do it in the last jailbreak tutorials. Let's hit 1,500 likes on this tutorial if you're excited to jailbreak iOS 14 no computer. With that being said, let's get started with the jailbreak tutorial. So first of all, we need to check, are we supported with the Uncover Jailbreak? To check this, we go into Settings, General, and About. And as long as you're running software version 14.0 up until 14.3, all firmwares in between, this includes iOS 14.2.1, 14.2, 14.1, iOS 14.0.1, any firmware which is from iOS 14 up to iOS 14.3 is fully supported with the Uncover Jailbreak. If you're running iOS 14.4, 14.5, this tutorial will not work for you. I'll have an updated tutorial once Uncover Jailbreak for iOS 14.4, 14.5 is released. Make sure if you aren't supported that you are subscribed with the bell icon enabled. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll not be showing some scam tutorials. I'll only show you legit jailbreak tutorials for the newer iOS firmwares once they're available. So make sure you are subscribed if you do not want to miss out. So let's start with jailbreaking our iPhone, shall we? So first of all, just go into the link in the description down below. It'll bring you to totobox.io. Now you have to watch this tutorial really closely because Tutorbox's servers are struggling right now with all the traffic, and I'm going to show you how to get Uncover fully working on your iPhone. So first of all, what we want to do is I'm just going to refresh the page quickly. And what you want to do is just tap on Risk Revokes. If you're redirected to any page which isn't Tutorbox, this is an advertisement. Sometimes the advertisement says malware detected, virus detected. This is an ad. Just tap on multitasking, close out of it, then just tap on Risk Revokes, close out of any ads again. So we'll just tap on here, quickly close out the ads, Risk Revokes. If you see a black screen like this, just scroll down the page. If you still don't see the Tutorbox website, refresh the page. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on Install Now. And we want to wait for the Tutorbox install pop-up to show up. There's so much traffic right now on the site. There we go. Okay, so we'll just tap on install, and now Tutorbox will start installing onto the home screen. Now you must listen to this. There are so many people downloading the new jailbreak right now that Tutorbox's traffic or the servers are dying, right? And so if Tutorbox fails to download, it isn't revoked. The reason why it's not downloading is because it is struggling so much that, the server connection is lost, therefore the download cancels, right? So if Tutorbox doesn't install on your iPhone, just retry the download. You're not blacklisted. There's absolutely no issues. The download is just being interrupted because so many people are trying to download the jailbreak right now. So again, if you are unable to download Tutorbox, all you need to do is go back on the website and tap on Install Now again. There could be a possibility, if you're watching this in a couple of weeks, that the Tutorbox has revoked. If that's the case, then what you want to do is just go to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi, and then just find a configure proxy and then set this to http://ffapple.com. I recommend you do that. If Tutorbox just keeps on failing to download, do make sure you go to Settings and then Safari and then clear stream website data if you want to attempt using ffapple. If in the future ffapple is properly useful, just check my channel page because I will have a tutorial on how to install the Uncover Jailbreak if it is relevant. Also, on the Tutorbox website, there will be a clear thing saying ffapple required if you do need to use ffapple in order to install Uncover Jailbreak. So there we go, Tutorbox has installed. When we try and open it, we get Untrusted Developer. The fix is we go to Settings, General, Device Management, Enterprise App, Trust, and now we can open up Tutorbox. Come on. You can tell the server's just struggling so much. So close out these ads, and you can see, okay, the Uncover version 6 is loaded. Usually this app works, but it's like, you can see how overloaded the servers are right now. So if you're in a situation where the Tutorbox app is buggy like this, you just have to be patient. Remember, a ton of people are trying to get their jailbreak right now. So let's just reload the app. And we just want to see the Uncover version 6 so that we can install it onto our iPhone. So, Jesus Christ, is honestly, I've never seen so much traffic on Tutorbox before. Holy crap. Jesus. Okay, let's close out these ads. Okay, we have Uncover here. You can also tap on it here. So we'll just tap on the Uncover download, and hopefully we get the install pop-up. Come on, there we go, install. Now we're on the home run, guys. So now Uncover Jailbreak is going to start installing onto my... Okay, this is not good. So you can see, remember, the server is just... It's struggling so much. So, you know, that's the problem right now with the stuff. So we'll just try this again. Remember, if it fails to install, we just need to wait for the download to properly start. So, come on. Please work. Jesus, I've never seen so many people trying to download the jailbreak at once. It's incredible. I made sure everything was... Yep, there we go. You can see now Uncover Jailbreak is installing. So if you see unable to install, you have to try again. There are so many people trying to download their jailbreak all at once, and it's kind of incredible. So it does seem like, look at this jailbreak, is honestly going insanely slow. But again, so many people want to jailbreak their devices. That is why the download speed, that's why, you know, the download sometimes fails. And so again, I'm just going to repeat this just in case you have to, you know, you skip the video or something. You have to keep on retrying the download in case Uncover Jailbreak fails. Now, what I recommend you do, just stay on the home screen. Do not lock your iPhone. Do not change Wi-Fi network. Do not... Basically, just stay on the home screen and do not do anything until this download completes. The reason why is because Uncover Jailbreak is very sensitive, and what this means is, you know, again, the servers will... They will block you from downloading Tutorbox if you mess around. You know, if you go on into settings. I had this problem before. There was one time where I released an iPogo update. Well, I mean, I didn't release it, but I put it on Tutorbox, right? And so many people flocked onto the Tutorbox site that the exact same problem happened. All we need to do is just stay on the homepage and just wait for this download to complete. It is taking its sweet time, but again, you know, the Tutorbox servers are kind of overloaded with all the traffic right now. So I really didn't want to edit this video. I wanted to do this one take, but it seems like we're going to have to cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this video and I'll resume once the Uncover has almost installed, not fully downloaded, so you can see it's legit, just almost installed. Right guys, so Uncover is just installed. Let's open it up. And yeah, let's start the party. So we're just going to see how this goes. I'm just going to tap on jailbreaking. I forgot to like show the install finishing because it failed multiple times and I was getting kind of frustrated. Well, again, if the download fails, just restart the download. It really is that simple. Restart until it works. Eventually the server will work and you'll be able to download your Uncover. So it does seem like this is going to take a bit of time. There's no errors yet. Put this cotton bud here. That didn't work. Put this phone here. I'll zoom in, see how this works. And you know, I'm going to cut the video. So guys, I was tweeting. And yeah, so I have no idea how long this took. Just look at the time and stuff. So request for permission. We'll do always allow. Close out this. Oh my god, guys. Let's go. Usually the jailbreak takes multiple attempts. That worked on the first try. So guys, I don't know if that was just luck or not. But if the jailbreak says unable to exploit kernel or, you know, it fails in some sort of way, all you need to do is restart your iPhone and try again, right? Restart an iPhone and try again until the jailbreak works successfully. So I'm not on a tripod anymore. So let's just unlock the device. Wait, what? Where's Cydia? Well, let me turn off airplane mode. So we have substitute. Okay, so we're just being restarted. So I'm not going to open up substitute. But we'll just try this again. Okay guys, so after the restart, we're just trying again. So you can see there's substitute. And you can see, again, this exploit does take quite a while. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to not speed this part up at all. Well, I'm going to speed it up. I'm not going to cut this time. And I'm just going to put the phone down. And just so you know, I'm not like doing some magical effects. I'm going to put this like here. So if there's any cuts, you're going to see very quickly. So I'm just going to let the exploit do its thing. And yeah. Okay guys, so the jailbreak has just worked. Again, it's actually very stable. And yeah, let's have a look. So hopefully, you know, this time I'm not going to open up Substitute because clearly it breaks stuff. But yeah, so we have Uncover, but we don't have Cydia. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open up Uncover. Are you kidding me? Okay. So it seems like Cydia isn't on my iPhone. So what we're going to do to fix this is we're going to restore FS. Does this even work? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to restore FS, and then we're going to enable refresh icon cache when jailbreaking. So we'll just tap on restore, and we'll see how it goes. I'll just speed this part up as well. Okay, let's close out this. And we'll tap on OK. What? Oh, it failed. Okay, what I'm going to do is you can see this jailbreak's really buggy. I'm going to restart my iPhone, and then we're going to try this again, right? So what we're going to do, let me walk through what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to restore FS entirely, and I recommend you do this as well if you're having any issues, like any errors or whatever. Once we've restored FS, we're then going to try again with jailbreak with refresh icon cache on. So I'm going to force restart my iPhone, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, update 57, so the restore FS did succeed after the force restart, and you can see I don't really know what it's doing, but it's doing this now. So I'm going to restart my iPhone, then retry the jailbreak. Alright, so update 57. So it seems like actually what happens is the reason why my jailbreak was buggy is because I used checkra in the past, because you can see I'm now on stage 1 out of 2 before we just skipped the stage 2 out of 2. So we're just going to wait for this restart and we'll retry the jailbreak. Alright, let's try this jailbreak again. So hopefully it's going to work this time. I think they need to work on checkra incompatibility issues. I'm blocked by the developers, so we'll just see how it goes. The reason why I don't, show the full thing is because this exploit takes a really long time to, work, and therefore I don't want to waste time. So I'm just going to cut this video again. Right, so there we go. Here's the final stretch. So hopefully, okay, we will always allow. I've no idea what I even asked for. So we'll close out this. Okay. Let's have a look. I'm not even talking that much. It's literally 1 AM. It looks 6 PM here. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, oh, the jailbreak didn't. Wait. So the jailbreak didn't work. Well, let's try again, shall we? Alright, let me cut the video. Alright? How many times have I said, okay, let's tap on okay? Let's hope, pray to God, that we're going to see Cydia on the other side of the moon. Wait, jailbreak didn't even... let's enable reinstall Cydia. And let's try this again. Wish me the best of luck. I'm just going to cut until I get this to work, then I'll tell you what I did, alright? Let's just do that. Take 10. Tap on OK. Please, please, please work. Please, please, please. What I'll do is if it fails, I don't even know. Better work. Are you kidding me? So the jailbreak has succeeded, but Cydia is not showing up. Oh, it was on the other page the entire time. Let's go. Everyone smash like on this video right now. Oh my god, I actually forgot I put it on there because I was trying to hide it for another video. Let's go. Cydia, iOS 14.0, iPhone SE. Everyone smash like on this video right now. You can see Substitute's actually finally working. So all we need to do, restore FS and install, I enabled as well. Reinstall Cydia and refresh icon cache, and now everything's fully working. So guys, if you're having any other issues, just force restart your iPhone and retry the jailbreak. I can't control how successful Uncover is. And with that being said, see you guys later. Bye bye.